take some?
Fresh boys on the track.
It's Fred the Great. Gang. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Fred the Great, and I'm coming back at you with another video, another prank at that. So today, I'm I've been feeling real sick lately, and I'm gonna act like been coughing real bad, and I'm not feeling too good, and all of that stuff. And I'm doing this on my dad. My mom's in on the prank with me. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna act like I'm sick. I'm gonna be sitting right here, like, oh man, I just haven't been feeling good, man, and I just all in there. So I'm gonna like fake throw up blood, you know what I'm saying, or cough up blood. So hopefully this worked. I bought some fake blood right here. Hold on, let me get to it. But I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make it like liquid consistency, because it's come out pretty thick, so I gotta be able to spit it out, you know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably get like some water or something and mix it up with it and do it that way, because I don't feel like it's a little like see-through, you know what I'm saying? I don't think it's gonna work good. But I got the setup right now, everything going good. I'm gonna be hiding the camera right there. Mom, I'm looking for my mother. 1 second, guys. Okay. So, my mom's right here. She's gonna be helping me out. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go in the bathroom. Mom's gonna be like, "Oh my God, Michael, come upstairs. Freddie said he's not feeling good." And one step gonna lead to another. And then, boom, you know what I'm saying? I ain't feeling good. I throw up. Ugh, oh my God, blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, let's get right to it. Gang. All right, so right now, I'm about to mix the blood with some water. Gotta make it like liquidy, you know what I'm saying? Oh. I know hey, look, y'all, I'm being ghetto, stirring it with a brush and shit. I wish I can get it darker. I don't know what to put in to make it darker, because it look more like clear, but fuck it. Hopefully it work. Alright, y'all. We about to get this thing cracking. Alright, y'all, so I put a little syrup in it, and then you got the color close to where I want it. So, set this up right here. I'm gonna set that up right there. Tell the camera what you want to do. Tell the camera what you want to do.
So I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna just talk to him first and be like, hey, has Freddie taken anything? Because he said he's not feeling well. So then I'm gonna wait for a minute, and then I'm gonna run downstairs like real hysterical fast, and I'm gonna scream, oh my God, Michael, come here, hurry up. So y'all gonna hear me screaming, and then I'm gonna run up the stairs and bring him in here. Okay? So after I say hurry up, Freddie, then you'll know to take that.
Came up, y'all look perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna sit right here. And I'll just be like this.
What's that? You already had it in your mouth?
Oh no, be like he coughing up blood or something.
Okay. So when I say,
Be like,
because I'm gonna talk to him, I'm gonna go down there and talk to him, and then I'm gonna come back up, not all the way, and wait for a minute, and I'm like, oh my God, he's coughing up blood. Hurry up, come on.
What's up, baby? Dang, Sean's still asleep. You about to give Freddie anything or anything? I don't know. He said he's not feeling good. But, yeah, he said he's not feeling good. He in the bathroom. He said he's not feeling good at all. So I wonder if something happened last night or what. All right.
Hey, Mike. Ready up the trip. Coughing up blood and stuff. Really? Yeah. I don't know what I just came back from the thing. Dude, trip. You take some? I don't know.
He's coughing up blood, like for real.
Call the ambulance.
No, I need you to come check on him though. He's in the bathroom. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up.
73 and 80. I know why they lost. I know why they lost Carter. I know why they lost. Because the people who win against them 64 and 70.
You take some?
Oh, I ain't feeling good.
Yeah, both of them.
And would you take? You take anything? Eat anything?
No.
What are we supposed to do?
Call the ambulance.
Guess who got first?
Really? Call the ambulance?
Yeah. Or call the doctor thing, whatever the f they call it. What do you mean?
Oh, you remember that
Oh, yeah, insurance?
Oh,
You
no.
ain't talking insurance.
Right.
Ain't nobody else you can call before you call them ambulance? Like,
I have no idea. I don't know about no doctor. About Younow. Is she in medical field or something?
yeah. What if it's
What
internal?
to do if you're coughing up blood?
You gotta check on the color of the blood and all types of stuff.
Yes, I said reproduction infections. That's requires medical evaluation. Yeah, we gotta get them to the doctor. I mean, so either we can call them or either we gonna take them up there. So what do you wanna do?
I mean, dang, you didn't even come check on him. Like, you didn't even come look. You didn't
I
even.
did look. You made it seem like he was like blood was gushing and coming out like at a rapid pace.
But look, that's a lot of blood.
I understand that. That's why I said I'm not a doctor. So we either gotta call the police or come. What do you mean? Damn, I'm not a doctor. I'm not qualified to do anything right now but call the damn the doctor. I mean, what did you want me to do? Exactly. You don't know what to do, and neither do I. That's what the damn hospital's for. You afraid to call the hospital or something?
Yes, because it's $200 for them to come to my house.
Who gives a and $200 for your son? Really? You sound stupid right now.
Yes, because it's $200 for them to come to my house.
Who gives a and $200 for your son? Really? You sound stupid right now.
Michael. Michael.
Where you go?
Michael.
What?
Tell him there's mine.
Yeah.
Never mind. Never mind. Stupid ass. Y'all dumb. Y'all dumb.
Hey. We got him.
Can you tell them never mind?
We got him.
Can you tell them never mind?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
Let's get it, y'all. Y'all you know how we rocking. Great game. Another prank down. You feel me? Hey, Pops was mad. That boy was heated. He said $200 for your son. You ain't go. Yeah, boy. Before I go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go see how Pops feeling about all this, y'all. Here you go see.
I almost let some tears come down.
Hey, Pops, how you feeling, man?
That's why I told him to come too. He didn't come.
Look, y'all. Look.
Paid $200 for that prank and shit.
You was
That boy got heated. Yeah.
You talking $200 for your mother son, baby?
He said, look, they got the voice in. Y'all stupid, man. And it looked good, though, because my teeth is bleeding and everything. He said, what you do? You take something or something? You already know how you rockin', man. Thanks to my mama, my brother. We just got that, boy. Hey, great game. You already know how you rockin'. Gang!
I remember all them late nights, arguing, turning to play fights. They don't